Okay, guys. Well, it's a really gorgeous day out today. Did feel well earlier, but oh well, it's besides the point. Last point. After the past 2 days. Anyways, my point is, here is my Hoover Elite 200, which you know somewhat about. And I actually replaced the brush roll in this thing. Well, it's the same brush roll was in here, but it's a different bearing cap and bearings, and the shafts is different. I also replaced the brush roll. We'll do this. Get this foot off. There we go. There's one. So hang on. Okay, guys, forget about that. But here's the vacuum. So you all know I put a new belt on it too. If you saw the video from last night, which will be 2 nights ago, probably by the time I get this uploaded. Plug that in. It's the UPS, man. But good. Lean this back. I bought this at a flea market for $5 the other day. Over the inside in our parcel decor. One of those elite styles with my what called for the attachment fitting. And that was my Hoover Elite 200. Okay, well, got my Hoover bag in there. As you can see, we were gonna wash it outside, but the hose isn't turned on yet. But the bag from this, we'll clean that up. And I can't remember what polish it is. I'll either rewatch the video or Vaxmaster the Great. If you happen to see this video, if you can put down below what polish stuff it was you used, so I know what to take a look for myself. But yeah, I'm gonna wash this up and I'll be back in a minute. You see that's running, and in here, our dryer, you can put this little rack thing in. There's the bag in there. Dried. I didn't do too much cleaning, but see a little bit of dirt stains in our tub from it. But yeah, those bearings are gone bad. But let's see if he's still here. Oh yeah. Why we? Yep. See, he just flew back in here. That's exactly why we decided to use that. Got a little bit of clouds starting up. A little overcast today. Other than that, it's been nice out. Look forward to a lot of videos via the cell phone this year. After this summer, after June, early June, I won't have my school laptop. I turn that in at the end of the year. And then I go to a school called EHOV next year, which is a vocational school. So I won't be at Vermilion next year. So anyways, guys, I just want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll probably do more videos like this where it's just random compilation of short clips slapped on together.